Loved one, welcome to today's practice of a witnessing meditation to settle your mind. Thank you for joining me today. When you're ready, come to a comfortable seated position, either seated on the floor in Padmasana or Sukhasana, or if this is uncomfortable for you, find a comfortable chair and firmly plant your feet in the ground. Place your palms below your energy center, left hand facing up and the right palm on top of the left. And all we're doing today is just breathing. So today we'll be using the breath to release thoughts, to witness everything that is happening around us. When you sit and just listen to the breath, all the thoughts, all the chatter of the mind will disappear. So for this witnessing meditation today, if there are any thoughts that arise, inhale, exhale, let it pass. If there are any feelings that come up, inhale, exhale, let them pass. Just breathe. Do not start any conversations. Do not dialogue with the thoughts and feelings that may pop up for you today during this meditation. Just sit with yourself and breathe. Deep inhales into the abdomen and complete exhales through the nose. This is all we're doing today, just focusing on the breath. We are just witnessing. Breath is our life force. We enter this world with a breath and we exit this world with a breath. Witnessing meditation is one of the simplest meditations, yet it is one of the most powerful. The aim of this meditation is not to try to ignore the thoughts and feelings that come up for you. We are simply not dialoguing with those thoughts and feelings. We are just breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. There you go. You have got it, love. And as we close off this meditation, I want you to slowly open your eyes and look straight ahead and just take in everything in the room that you're currently sitting in with this new perspective of witnessing. You are seeing everything. You are feeling all the energies around you. You are just witnessing. When we begin to experience and appreciate life from this witnessing perspective, everything becomes easier for us. Isn't that beautiful? Just breathe, just witness. And this is a beautiful practice that you can take with you in your daily life as well. Whatever happens, whatever may trigger you, witness it, breathe, don't react. Always remember the breath, for the breath is life. And gently rub your palms together. Bring them over your eyes, cup your eyes. Inhale, exhale. Bring your palms over your ears. Inhale and exhale. To the back of your neck. Inhale and exhale. And down to your heart center. And Namo Himalaya. Thank you so much for joining me for today's meditation. See you soon.